Good morning. So this morning we drove from Austria to Slovenia and we just got to Bled and we're going to be hanging out here today. We're going to go walk around Lake Bled, might go to the island, and I think we're going to go do another walk along a gorge today as well. Trying to get a lot done because sorry, it's a noisy truck. Wild camping doesn't seem to be quite tolerated in Slovenia or in Croatia where we're going next as well. So we're going to kind of move quite quickly so that we're not spending too many nights paying for somewhere to stay.
We're about to go on a rowboat and then row up to the island in the middle of Lake Bled.
Turn around. What are you doing? Why are you doing the opposite to each other? What are you doing? Be careful. We just went to the island on Lake Bled. We just went to the island on Lake Bled and now we're rowing back to shore so we can return the boat in time. It was 20 euros for an hour, which, you know, it's expensive, but it was worth it. It was really cool. And it was only another 10 euros per extra hour, but we figured, you know, it was enough. We didn't go into the church, because again we didn't have quite enough time to get back. We would have had to do another hour plus pay 6 euros each to go into the church. So we just wandered around, yeah. I'll have some cake. So we were walking around Lake Bled, just like walking around to see the view and looking for somewhere kind of high up we could go to look out at the lake and the island, and then we saw a sign for a cafe, so we thought we'd go up, and apparently it's an amazing view. That's what the review said, and it does. It is amazing. You couldn't get a better view of the lake and the island. And we're also trying the famous Bled cream cake.
Just crushed down.
Trying to get a nice cinematic shot. The camera battery died while we were at Lake Bled, so we went back to the van and charged it up, and now we're at Vintgar Gorge. It's really cool. Such beautiful clear water. The water here is just so beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so clear. It's like, if it wasn't that slightly blue-green colour, you wouldn't even know there was anything over the rocks. It's crazy. We've seen in a lot of places people pile rocks on top of each other to make little rock towers, and here there are like dozens and dozens. How are we going to get across this? Ooh. Oh look, they made a new path. That is so terrifying. I hope it fell like with not someone on it. Myron's just climbing down into the lake, or into the river, sorry, because he wants to take a photo on a rock. Myron seems to be adding to someone else's rock tower. Let's hope he doesn't knock it over. There's Myron taking photos of himself. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.